Internal tank pressure, perfect. Electrical system, check. Final C4 check complete. Don't we have a weather report yet? Commence laser gyro sequence. Number 7 service group, move your position to area B3. Begin main engine sequence. Begin auxiliary engine sequence. Begin liquid nitrogen. Increase oxygen by 0.5. All personnel evacuate the area. Detach service lift. Release lock. Roger. All final checks complete. 3 minutes till launch. 2 minutes till launch. 1 minute till launch. Fire the main engines. Beginning final countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff! Liftoff!
Final F3 check complete. Number 3 service group, move your position to area C4. Increase oxygen by 0.7. Roger.
Final D3 check complete. Number 7 service group, move your position to area A5. Increase oxygen by 0.7. Roger.
Number 5 service group, move your position to area E1. Increase oxygen by 1.3. Roger. Beginning final check.
Nice try, boys, but my job's to protect this satellite. It's time for you to say goodbye.
Watch out! Help! No, stop! You did it! Haven't the agents left yet? Keith and Robert? A punch like that, and you think you're gonna conquer the world. There's some news. Oh, thank you. I'm okay. Get Diaz. He's about to launch a nuclear satellite. He's still alive. Your project is going down in flames. They'll be here soon. It's me, Christy. I found some data about the satellite network.
At Neodyne Industries, Ltd., we have successfully completed a global network consisting of 64 satellites. The project is named Starline Network. This is a monumental achievement. Starline will unite the world. Wild Dog, why is it taking you so much time to get rid of them? All right, I'll take care of this myself. This is just a prototype. We are ready to launch the real one. You are like roaches. I underestimated your persistence. This is not a real satellite. Anyway, let me entertain you. It's almost ready. My dream will soon come true. My dream is just about complete, and the world will be mine. I'm expecting them. Why do you think I kept you alive so soon? Wild Dog, it's time.
Action! Continue. Danger. Machine gun. Reload.
Action. Continue. Danger. Game over. Machine gun. Reload.
Well, it appears we have a guest. Silence! You have no idea how perfect our plan is. Now take her away. What the? Looks like we caught you just in time. A leak like this would have been problematic, to say the least. So, who are those two? Where's the girl? We gotta stop them now. We gotta stop them now.
Oh, man. That was close. Here goes nothing. I made it. What's up? Wild Dog! Diaz! Chrissy! No! Hey, right? Look over there. I knew it. These maniacs have got the military satellite, and they're moving it by train.
Keith and Robert are on their way. No one can beat them.
No! Let's go. I don't think so. We better get going. There's no time to lose. Look, the satellite's still there.
Hey, there! Fire! Freeze! Halt! Got 'em! Shucks! Go! Go, go, go!
There! Fire! Freeze! Halt! Got him! Shucks! Go! Go, go, go! They took her to General Diaz, sir. Yes, sir. Did you get him? Are they dead? General Diaz, we've got trouble.
There! Fire! Freeze! Halt! Got him! Shucks! Go! Did you get him? Are they dead? The Starline Network is a mere front for a plan to launch a nuclear satellite into space. Keith Martin, Robert Baxter, Christy Ryan, Wild Dog, Ernesto Diaz. VSSE has dispatched 2 agents to prevent the launch. Time Crisis 2. VSSE, you fools! You're gonna pay now! Yes, sir.